Welcome to this video. We will guide you through configuring the Akuvox 2-wire intercom kit. The kit usually contains an indoor monitor and a door phone, which can be deployed conveniently for either on-premise or cloud projects. In this video, we will use the indoor monitor 2-wire S562W and the door phone 2-wire R20-2 powered by a 48-volt adapter. This video mainly focuses on the on-premise configuration without connecting devices to the cloud. Let's begin with the wiring. Please refer to the wiring diagram. Connect the indoor monitor to Wi-Fi or Ethernet. The indoor monitor supplies both the power and network connectivity to the door phone. Connect the door phone and indoor monitor via PLC ports using wires. Insert the positive and negative wires of the power adapter into a pair of PLC ports on the indoor monitor. No specific sequence is required. Ensure firm and secure connections. Then, power on devices. Now, let's configure the devices. Select your preferred language and time zone. Next, configure the network by choosing either Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Here, we connect it to a Wi-Fi by entering the Wi-Fi password. Then, the indoor monitor will scan other Akuvox devices on the same local network. You can tap the setting icon to configure the target device's name, input, relay, and network. These scanned devices will display on the indoor monitor's call list after initial configuration. Tap Next to add cards right away, saving you the step of adding them through the door phone's web interface. Tap Add and place the card on the door phone. Each card is bound to a user. Swipe the card on the door phone to open the door. After finishing the initial setup, basic calling, unlocking, and monitoring can be achieved.
Welcome. Please come in. Welcome. Please come in.
Thanks for watching.